I've been playing around with Google Studio a lot in the last week or so, and I've been pretty impressed. I wanted to show one of the neatest features I think I found with this tool. So here, under the Stream Real Time. Now, Google, if you've been following our workshops over the last year, I've really been downplaying Google's involvement in the AI space. They always seem to be about 6 months to a year behind. And over the last month or two, maybe as far as three, they've really made a lot of leaps and bounds, and their portal is becoming comparable to ChatGPT and definitely exceeds Claude's capabilities. So in 2025, I'll be spending a lot more time showing off some of their tools. But so this is really cool, and I'm just doing a quick little demo of this. But they added into here the ability to share your screen. And what this does is I can go ahead and choose what screen. I'm just going to choose this one here. Then I can talk to
Okay.
it. Now, with any luck, this will flow through to the recording as well.
Okay, so you're choosing a screen. Then you'll be able to talk to it and the audio will be recorded.
All right. And then I can go over here.
Okay.
So now
What do
let's
you plan
jump
to
into
do next?
this. What do you see here? And I'd like to separate this data. Could you help me out?
Sure. I see a spreadsheet with names and birth dates in the first two columns. You'd like to separate this data. Can you tell me how you'd like to separate it?
I'd like names in one column and birth dates in the other.
Okay, you want the names in one column and the birth dates in another. I can help with that. Would you like me to explain how to do it, or would you like me to do it for you?
Why don't you explain how to do it?
Okay, here's how you can separate the names and birth dates into separate columns. First, select the data you want to separate. Then, go to the Data tab and click on Text to Columns. Choose Delimited and click Next. Then, select the delimiter comma and click Next. Finally, click Finish. This will separate the names and the dates into different columns.
So you see I'm here in the data column, but I don't see text to column.
You're right, I apologize for that oversight. It looks like you're using the online version of Excel. In that version, the text to column feature can be found under the Data tab. Then you'll click on Text to Columns in the Data Tools group.
Oh, so this here split text to column?
Yes, that's the one. Split text to columns will open the wizard that I described previously to help you separate the data.
Which
you
of
want me to
these
walk you-
selectors do I choose?
You should choose comma because the names and birth dates in your selected data are separated by commas.
Wow, that's pretty good. All right, in that case, it didn't pick up that the space selector was chosen. So this is a new feature, but it's pretty cool. It's walked me through pretty accurately how to split this data up, and I would have used a formula to do it, but this is actually a much easier way to do it. So it gave me a recommendation that was easier than the way I was going to do it. So I click Apply, the data is separated. So that's what we're going to do there. So now we're going to move over to a Word document. So we just got our book published. If I'll be showing that here in a second, but this could help me out on how to edit this. So now, AI, what do you see on this page?
All right, you have a Word document open that is a promotional flyer for a one-day AI retreat in Spooner, Wisconsin on Wednesday, October 22nd, 2025. It has information about the pricing, a discount, and retreat highlights.
All right.
Is there anything specific you want to do or change in the document?
So right now it looks like the words are condensed. So if you look like at retreat highlight, there's no space between that and the summary above it. And if you look at the additional or $100 discount for Cooley Tech customers, there's no separation between that and the join us. How could I put a space in between there?
Okay, it seems that the line spacing is causing the text to be condensed with no space between some of the text lines. To fix this, you need to adjust the line spacing in Word. First, select the text, then go to the Home tab, and in the Paragraph group, find the line and paragraph spacing icon. Click it, and then select a spacing option that you prefer. This should add some separation between the lines of text.
All right. And for those watching my recording here, I'm not going to do this because this is actually my production level. This is the one that went to the editor, so I don't want to change anything. It just looks this way because it's in Word Online. The Word installed version looks and formats correctly to our PDF. But there, if I was trying to edit this, I could go ahead and I can go share these screens on actual Word documents as well. So it could help me through that. I'm just not going to do that for this one. So now AI, let's go through another scenario here. So what do you see here? What if I wanted to buy a copy of this book? How would I do that?
I see a web page on Amazon for the book AI Unleashed, AI Success Stories from Local Business Leaders. You could click the Add to Cart or Buy Now button to purchase a copy.
I'd like to get 5 copies. What would I adjust on there? I don't see any way to do that.
I see the quantity box on the right-hand side of the page. It currently says 1, but you can click on it to change the number to 5, and then click Add to Cart or Buy Now.
All right. So like this. Does that look right?
Yes, it looks like you've selected 5 copies of the book.
Hey, thanks.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Yeah, I am new to Eventbrite. I've never done an event on here. Do I have this set up correctly, or what should I click?
Okay, it looks like you're on the Eventbrite dashboard for your Business AI Leadership Retreat event. The dashboard shows you the event details like the date and time. The steps section on the left shows the order in which you can build your event. You could start with the Build Event page. Do you want help going through the steps on the left?
No, I think that's good for now. Hey, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need any more help.
And that's going through the Google screen share. I went through 4 different applications here: Amazon, Eventbrite, Word, Excel, and it just lays over top. And if you're trying to do something that you don't know how to do, it's actually a really cool tool for doing that. I'll probably be spending talking specifically about this tool and how to use it and showing some different use cases for it.